Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the scene. Select the mesh and press Tab to enter edit mode so you can act directly on geometry. Once done, choose the knife K or bisect tool from the toolbar. Knife for freehand cuts, bisect for straight plane slices. Make sure X-ray or wireframe is enabled to see internal edges. This prevents accidental missed faces. You're already cutting now, so click to place the first vertex, move to the next, and confirm with Enter or Return. Once the basic cut exists, refine it by snapping to edges and vertices so topology stays clean. You can click on edges for constrained lines. Make sure to watch the operator panel after confirming. It offers merge, split, and fill options that affect resulting faces. If you need uniform loops, use Loop Cut, Ctrl+R, or Knife Project with a secondary object to stamp shapes. You'll preserve quads better by redirecting cuts into existing edge flow. To finish, confirm geometry integrity. Recalculate normals and merge nearby vertices to remove tiny gaps. This prevents shading and render artifacts. Make sure to fill any accidental holes with F or Grid Fill, and inspect non-manifold edges using the Select menu so you can fix hidden errors. If the cut looks wrong, use Undo, switch to Local View to isolate the mesh, and reapply the cut with snapping on. One key tip: always check normals first when shading breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.